how to transfer files using this TeamViewers. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So here what you have to do here is here to connect.
File ID.
Yes, remote desktop
control.
connector.
Transfer file.
Select on file transfer. And here what is your ID? 12146. Okay, connect. Okay. Log on what 160. So this is a local. Local mean this is the one. Okay.
Okay.
This is the one. Write something in it stuff. Write any folder. That's one. Okay. So here, okay, this is a local. This is a remote. So this is remote. I'm going to check what this is a folder. Desktop. Okay. New folder is there. Is it? Yeah, new folder. So I'm going to see here. Here. Click on receive. Where to receive this one? Computer location. So location I'm going to keep here on documents. So here this one. So select on receive. Select and folder destination. So folder destination here. Desktop. Here. This one. Receive. Okay. So where are the one? This one. Is it? Documents. Documents. I don't select documents. So here desktop. See if I select here documents, then mean this one, then you go to user documents. Okay. So here I'm going to show you here that this folder is name A B C. Okay. Here new file 1 2 3. Okay, let's connect with the different things. Okay, so here what you have to do is here files, remote file transfer. What is a remote? 1216 1216 63. Okay, connect. Then what is password? 7569. Is it 7560? Click on. This is your computer. This is the remote. So in desktop, okay, there is ABC. Okay, so here I'm going to select on D drive. Okay, D drive here I'm going to put ABC. Okay, so here I have the files, that is ABC 123 123 high. So here, okay, you select here and desktop ABC here 123. Okay, that is how to